Starting. All right, this is a new recording. So, all right, guys. So this is Nick, and I'm doing this online tutorial for you guys here. I got Alex with me, and we're gonna be cleaning up a WordPress website today. That is one of the free levels that you guys can sign in, provide your email address, and you'll be able to create your own, website basically. And I'm going to be showing you guys how GPT systems, like one that I have created through Best Life Services Group, will create custom tailored code. And this is something you guys can probably do with just the general GPT chat level. That's a free subscription that I'm pretty sure you can get. But I'm also going to show you another system that I use that's called Cloud. And so that's CLAUD, Cloud. Anyway, so we've got up here, this is a online content business assistant that I built. And so I'm going to go here. And what I want to do is I want to make sure all the things link. So I'm going to go online here. Actually, we're going to go to Facebook because we want to pull up a Facebook page. And we're going to be Spirit. Bam. All right, so we're going to take this link, copy it. We're going to go back over here, and we're going to say create a website outline for Spirit and Truth Awakening for a WordPress website. Include the link, include a hyperlink, because anytime you have a text on your website or your social media that's highlighted, where if you put the cursor over it or you press on it on your mobile device and it links to the website or a different page, that's called a hyperlink. So I'm asking it to hyperlink the Facebook page for people to bang and provide an inspirational home page outline that engages and welcomes guests to the channel and have sections where video links and blogs can be posted after with designated sections for artwork and images and media. Okay, I'm asking it to create an outline. Now I ask it to do the outline first because if you ask it to do something that's complex in a simple way, like, hey, build me a website that does that, it's going to create something, if it anything, like it's not going to be what you want. And trust me, you don't want a robot response anyway. Like this is a way to engage AI to create what you want, with your own like ideas and messages in a clear way so that you're not just spouting out nonsense, because it will if you ask it to. And I think that might be part of the problem today is there's so much BS out there, that we have the ability to create quality content right at our fingertips. And so anybody with a creative mindset that's like me, previously been limited in their ability to like program. Like I don't know how to build code and write. Now that problem isn't there anymore, at all. So this outline here, it's got the whole outline of everything we want. Okay. Now this is just a little like habit I do. I don't actually write the code with ChatGPT anymore because I found a new AI system that's called Cloud AI. And I have the professional plan, but if you do sign, like if you do go to cloud, there's a free version that like it gives you a few of these high level requests for free. So like if you're trying to get really good code, like real clean code, you can go to this website and it'll give you a couple of the first free ones. You know, you can at least get like a good website professionally laid out, literally for free. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna say with the I'm gonna say use the following outline. And another cool thing about this is I don't know if you need. I think you need the professional plan. You may not. It might be the regular plan, but you can link your Google Drive so that like it'll automatically pull documents from your Google Drive and like become familiar with whatever it is you're working on. Like you can create your own custom projects. Like right here, you can bring your own code. All different files and work with other people that want to work on it as well. Create an outline for Spirit and Truth Awakening social media website with the following outline. Generate clean. Alex, do you have a preferred color scheme like that you would like to have for your website? Like, you know, a certain color font with a background, like highlights.
I guess like I don't know really. My images have been in kind of like a gold hue,
Yeah.
like brownish, like that
Yep.
hewish
So
kind of
like
thing, without
okay,
the
yeah.
purples and blues
Generate
and
a
stuff.
clean Christian themed gold accented artistic
Mystic,
gold
mystic
accented
gold.
artistic and um metaphysical. That's like mysterious.
Okay.
Metaphysical themed homepage. Copy paste. Bam. Let's see what we get out of this.
So are you gonna help me like get that old one off of there too?
Yeah, I can do that right from here.
Okay.
Yeah, so you want this to replace that, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay, good. Because that's what I'm doing. And then you could create a YouTube channel.
And put it and
Yeah.
link it to this
Yeah,
too.
all your stuff, dude. Like you could just as you have time, create a YouTube, create an Instagram, cuz like
Would your your GPT
all of
help me
it.
with that
All of it,
doing the
bro.
YouTube
It's
thing?
specifically set up to do that. It's programmed specifically to I put like PDFs in there about like how to monetize content and create like the right labels and the right wording for all the type like
So I could just be like, can you help me create a YouTube
yes,
channel?
dude. Yes. In seconds. Literally in seconds. So here's your page, bro.
Wow.
Wow. You can put your own photos here.
See, like, so when I go home, how do I do that? How do I
So
go
hold
and
on. Uh, we're gonna go copy. Okay. Go edit. this is so if you go, I don't know how you do this on a device, but if you go up here to options, it'll pull this tab up and you can have the visual editor, which is where you'll write in your own stuff, like line by line. And then you'll choose, like, I want a quote. I
Like
want,
customize it all.
yeah, like,
with that.
yeah. So, like, if you have the actual HTML code already written and you don't need to do all that, you can just go here and you go to code editor. And you go to code editor, and then you just go right here and you put your code in. Then you go up here to your title. And you go, do you have any slogans or anything you want? Like, so like a good, uh, like something that will help identify what it's about. Like, I mean, Spirit and Truth Awakening gives a good clue already, but like if you want to get, like,
So right now it comes up as this right here, spiritual way of unveiling biblical
okay,
truth.
yep, see, perfect. Yep, because now that'll tell them, like, oh, this is a site, a website.
Like pictures like that. Like, could I transfer these
Yes.
pictures to what you're doing right now? Like,
Yeah,
this
and
one
you
here
could
with the
use
Bible and the
Trello to help you with that, bro. Unveiling biblical
truth.
truth.
Like, we are committed to spreading the gospel, diving deep into scripture, and equipping believers with biblical truth.
Yeah.
Explore
Like if you
Bible.
want, bro. Oh, see, you could copy and paste that to. I deleted that already, but um, like that page when you refresh it probably won't be there anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but you could copy that. And
right now?
Yeah, like yeah, copy it all.
Oh, I can't because this is just.
You
Oh,
should.
I
Yeah,
can.
you can select all. Select all. There should be like when you first highlight it. There's a button that says select all.
Oh, you mean before I even just go
Like
like
just
this?
click like yep, and now go to
Select all.
yep, and now copy. There's copy. Yep, and now pull up your Titan email, or actually pull up your Trello.
I only have that on here.
Oh, okay. All right, never mind. So pull up your email, and just email it to your Titan email self. Or no, actually, yeah, edit email to your Eddie Mood self because that's logged in right now. So just email it to your Eddie Mood self.
So from Ed Moody
Yeah,
to
yeah,
Ed Moody?
yeah. I guess I could get access to it either way.
And then just go to compose and then just hit this part, right? Shoot, where did it go?
Did you hit paste?
I didn't hit anything. I
Okay,
just
here.
clicked on the subject because it comes up. It should come up down here.
Right here. Bam. There
But
we go. That's it.
is it?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay. So now you're gonna put that. But see, I think should this be disappeared yet after I click on it, or should I be able to still see it yet?
I don't know. I don't think it might. You might be able to still see it. I just didn't know for sure.
Because I told you, dude, that I kind of did things jacked up. So I don't know if there's some more things we got to delete
It'll.
before.
Well, no, I saw the one page you do have.
You did see that, so
Yeah.
you know what I'm
You only
talking
have, yeah,
about.
you've
Kind of.
got one page set up, which is
Okay.
how my first website, um, for my blog was, dude, I did the same thing you did.
Because I didn't know what I was
Dude,
doing.
I did the same thing.
Did you?
It was one page the whole
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
didn't have any other pages.
You
It
did
didn't
the
link to
same
nothing,
thing.
dude. It
Yeah.
was just one, and then I just kept
It
adding
was just
to
a
it.
visual.
Yeah, dude, I just added pictures here. Dude, I did the same exact. That's how I learned too, dude.
Okay.
Like same exact way. All right, so now we got some new code. We're gonna go back here, and we're gonna. If you hit Control A,
Yeah.
that's gonna highlight everything.
All right.
Okay, then I can delete that, and then I hit Control V. That's gonna paste.
All right. Easy.
Yep. And then I'm gonna exit the code editor. So that's what we have now, the outline.
Okay.
And then like you can literally go in and add your pictures.
Okay.
You know, like
So it's not gonna do those themes like you said. Like, is it, or is that coming up still?
now they're converted to blocks. Preview, no. HTML, no. Details, no. All right, let's save. Let's see how it looks now. View paging. Oh damn.
What happened?
Sometimes you say create the code without the CSS code in it. Include that separately. I didn't spell separately right. I don't care. Yeah, we got to have it do two separate things. Because there's two sets of code. Like one code is for the website, and then there's another different place you have to go to that will program what the website looks like.
Okay.
Like the style of like the layout and the color and the font and all that.
Right. The stuff where
Like
I was like,
yeah,
what do
this
you do?
like the free version you have to actually put all this stuff in. Otherwise the like there's plugins that'll do all this for you now. So here's the HTML. And then if you go Alt tab is going to bring you to the other screen. And you can select which one you want. So we're going to go back over here, code editor, control delete, control V, save, view. It looks a lot better.
Yeah.
And then you can go in, you know, like edit that, like put your own pictures in. So like
Wait, what is that? They've added in the
just
cross symbol.
yeah, they're just random. They're not actual pictures. They're suggestion stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so none of this stuff is linked right now.
Oh.
But we can go in and edit. So like
See what happened there. Told you I did something jacked up. I think I did like two separate things. Is what I was trying to say.
Okay, I see where we're at now.
You see what I did?
Yep.
So now you can successfully undo it and redo it.
Hmm. So you want them combined into one?
What?
The home page you want to set up like the other one, right?
I'm confused.
Like
Do what
your
you're
home
doing.
page, like when you log in, because right now they're set up as two different pages. So like we would have to find a way to link them together. But I can get rid of your home page and include it into what we're making now.
Right. All I want is whatever we make. I want it to be what. See this link right here on my Facebook page? Like if you click
Right.
that link, I want it to go to our new, like the functional and not just the looks. Because this is just for looks. This was just gonna buy me some time to try to figure it out whenever I'd have time to do something like this.
Right.
Yeah. But like, is there any way you could get that image, those images into this, or no? Is that gonna be too tough?
No, it should be fine.
So like where it says Spirit and Truth logo, could that book, that Bible image that was on there before be there?
I think that
Or is that it in a
it,
different.
it's not showing up though. Um, so I need to edit.
Shouldn't be so big either, I
Yeah, I'm
guess.
trying to. legit, bro.
Oh, it looks legit.
Yeah. This is your new website, bro.
Wow. Explore Bible studies, dude. Wow. That looks fire.
And then you can go in now and like you'll go in and you'll add another page and that'll be your read more page. Like then you'll link it to that and then it'll link to that page where you'll have just a whole read more page. So this is how you build out your website. Like you make another page and that'll be your explore studies page. And you could have a whole page of all your Bible studies, like all the different Bible verses you like.
Okay, so now it's just adding in
Yeah,
it.
just
I don't
adding
like the.
each new page. You go to add up at the top right here. Add. Well, this is where you edit this part. So this is where you can add your videos and stuff.
Oh wow. Okay.
You know. So like right here, like if you wanted to,
So those quick links will actually work if I get.
like what you well you have to fill them in. Like you have to link them together. But the Facebook one should. Oh no, let's do that right now. Um, right there. Bam, there's your social media link. There's no then you can just go in and you'll add your YouTube link.
We
You'll
can
go in
do that.
yeah, add your Instagram link. Boom, save. Um right here like prayer requests, like we can hyperlink that. Add what's the email?
Oh, this email I haven't created it yet.
We'll
But
just use your other one,
should
dude.
I just use that one? Add Moody.
No, Alex.
Oh, Alex at one.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Yep.
Oh no, that's not working. Prayer requests.
Ooh, I kind of like that.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh.
Scheiße.
What do you got to redo something up there now? Did you change something up there?
No, we're good. There we go. So like people can send prayer requests. We could have
Oh, that's linked up. So prayer requests.
yeah.
Linked
So
up to
so like if they click on it, it'll pull up your email address.
really.
Yeah. Then you can just add in stuff. Bible studies, quick links, like, and then when we start doing our Bible studies, we can have it boom link to the Bible studies.
Really.
Yeah.
So what am I? How am I? How do I do that for like the current events quick link and all that? Like, how do I go about doing that when I'm editing it? Like to.
You'll just like you'll go in here to create a link. So there'll be a little thing that says link. And then you'll click it and then you just literally paste in the actual website link of that page.
Okay. So when somebody clicks on that current events and prophecy quick link down there in the bottom right,
Yeah.
what will it go to?
Nothing. It won't go anywhere now.
How do I make it go
You
somewhere?
you do what I just showed you. You click on this and you paste in the website link that you want it to go to.
Why up there and not down here at that quick link? Oh, so that associates with that button down there?
Yeah, like I'm highlighting this button right now. So it's giving me these. I can do it for this button. I can do it for that button. Each button has its own. Each section has its own setting. So like each here, it's its own.
Go back up. I wasn't reading that. So that's the current event. Okay, I see what you're. I wasn't even reading that, but okay, now I got you. I got you. So that's where I'd put it all in, and then that would go to the. So you wouldn't have to. You would just click on that, and it would go to the stuff that you were linking to up there.
Yeah, like you're gonna make another page.
Yep.
That's on your website because you make multiple pages now.
And that's what that is.
And then yeah, so then like once you make that page, you highlight the website up here, this whole part at the top, the whole website address.
Okay.
And then you go down here and you go link and then you paste that in there.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yep. Same thing with your Facebook. Like right there. I don't know why it didn't save. So I'm going to copy your Facebook. Look. Copy. And then I'm going to paste that in there, and now it's linked. So now you will actually be able to go to your Facebook page just when they click on that.
Okay, so now let's look at the very top again and see what it looks like. Okay, so Spirit and Truth Awakening, Biblical Truth, Let It Explore, Bible Studies, Prophetic Insight. Oh, I love it.
And that's your picture.
Yeah. When if we go up to that top picture, is there a way we can get it to go to reach to the Bible at the bottom of the picture? Because that's the top half of the picture. Is there a way to? Oh, it's just so big. I got you. Or do you think that's too big? Or do you think that's legit?
I think there's a way to. Oh. What the hell happened? There we go.
I mean, if you don't. Oh, that looks dope though too. But I like that top part of the picture too, though. Yeah.
There we go.
Ooh, I like that. Yup, that's dope.
Yep.
Fire. Cool. What is that? Subscribe to our newsletter, receive weekly spiritual
Yeah,
info,
this is how
self
people will
motivation.
sign up, and then they'll be able to subscribe.
Wow. So should it look like that if I log in now or not yet?
Um, Let me get back out. Let me just go here and make sure that was the right page. Alright, so then what I'll do is that other page we worked on, Spirit and Truth Awakening, Biblical Truth, like this one.
What about it?
Like these are two different pages, so I can link these two now.
Oh,
So like
what would that do if we link it?
then you can just work on. You'll have two pages you can work on right now. So copy,
Oh, okay.
so I'll go to the other one now.
So that could be just you're just saying to fill in space for like the one of the quick links or whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
Oh,
what happened?
that's the old one.
So that one will be non-existent, right? By the time we're done.
Yeah, it should be.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. So we're gonna go back to your home page, and then we're gonna go here where it says join the awakening, or no, we'll go. Which one do you want to work on first? Which page? Your Bible studies page?
Sure. Or yeah, let's do that since we're gonna be. Or actually, wait. Would that be a good one to have the Bible studies and the sermons on, like the actual services and Bible studies on that one?
You could do both, yeah.
Put both of them on there?
Yeah.
Or should I do that separate?
It's Bible studies.
And services or something. Okay, cool.
And then go to hyperlink, view, bam,
So like literally I could go to
save.
a current event or some biblical prophecy sounding current event and whatever link that is, that's where I put that and I just literally drag it into there.
Yeah, like if you wanted to put one in right now, you just paste the link right in here.
Link, bam. And
Yeah.
then that quick link down there lower, they can click on that quick link and it'll bring them to that page.
Where?
Where
The
that quick link is.
Yeah, wherever I highlight that quick link, like whatever I'm selecting, whatever button, whatever I put, whatever link I put in that button will bring them there.
Right. So is that not okay? So if you scroll down, is that what is this? What is that group of
These are a separate part of your website. This is your whole website. This is the top of your website. This is the bottom.
Okay.
So these are two different sections. Like this is your whole website. This is the top. This is the bottom.
Okay.
So like this part has nothing to do with this part.
Right. So what is the purpose of those then? Is I guess what I'm saying.
Oh, they're just there. You can just put things there.
Oh, so they're just more stuff.
They're just a template. Yeah, it's a template. Like you can put whatever you want into this stuff.
Many pages I could potentially.
Yeah, if you wanted to. Yeah, yeah, if you wanted to.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay.
Like
cool.
this is just an outline, so like you know how it should look when you're,
Yep. Fire.
And so that should, yeah, that link's there. So I'm gonna, okay, it's already saved. So I'm gonna go back here. Go to all pages. And then I'm going to go to view page. Boom.
Wow.
Click on this one. Boom. So now you can go here and change this into your Bible
study and service page.
Yep.
So I'd manipulate all that stuff, probably delete it all and start fresh.
Yeah, or just, whatever you want with it. Delete it all. Yeah, just delete it all and just start fresh.
Because isn't that pretty much, oh wait, no, that's already what I had written.
Yeah, that's part of what you already worked on.
Okay.
So you can build off it, you can,
So it's not disappeared, it's literally tucked away
it's
somewhere else I can manipulate.
Yeah, it's still built into your website. You can change it into whatever you want.
So if I go on here and hit the link, it should be on there right now as the refresh.
Yeah, you should be good now.
Let's see. Come on, baby.
You might need to adjust it too, though. Like sometimes you have to tell it, like,
bro,
adjust this code. Yeah, Heidi's gonna crap her pants, bro.
How come it doesn't have that? Dang it! Is it just because it's on my?
It's on. Yeah, I was just about to tell you. On a mobile device, you have to.
Oh yeah, because that even is on other ones that I visited before. It's where it's like mobile version or desktop version.
Yeah.
Or
So like you can tell it though, like, hey, rewrite this code so that it's tailored to mobile devices, and it'll rewrite the code so that you can read it better. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you build a website in less than an hour. Well, not a whole website, but an outline and get a great start that would normally cost thousands of dollars and lots of time. So have a good one. Keep shining.